Hi friends, thank you for joining me for Sherry's DIY Secrets. Normally, my husband and I have this underlying rule that I work on the interior of the home, he works on the exterior. But today, I'm going to step out of that role and I'm going to put together a faux potted plant to go out on the front porch. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I picked up these 2 large bowls and a trash bin from the dollar store. Add in a little gold metallic paint and presto. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come. I picked up these craft sticks from a craft store and I'm using some of the Gorilla Glue as well as some hot glue to create a support for the pot to stand up. This plastic basket is going to provide additional support. I'm going to be using some of the planting foam and adhere that to that basket so that it will provide a lift for the plants that I put in there. I decided that I was going to need that planting foam all the way around. So you'll see that there are 2 additional plant foam blocks. I'm using a little sand as a weight to hold the pot down. It can get windy out here and I don't want it to topple over. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed today's DIY. Join me again next time on Sherry's DIY Secrets for another project that you can do too. Bye friends. See you soon.